Hey up Woodlanders, welcome to today's woodlog. Last night when I got in, the rain again. Oh, just torrential rain last night, wet on wet. I've done a daily woodlog this week. If you hadn't noticed, what stone have you been under? Oh, look at it, what a jerk. I can't even walk on it anymore. It was an experiment this week on the daily woodlogs. It's not something I would do very often, but I could wiggle things just so that I knew I got time to get the edits done. Because on average, it takes me, for these sort of 6, 7, 8 minute videos, it takes me about 3 hours. Let me know what you think. The reason I did it is because I wanted to try and improve my editing skills. I think that's helped a little. I'm not very good at telling stories, but if you can just see what I'm doing along the day. On our road trip yesterday, I noticed how the hawthorn hedges are just about starting to pop their little leaves out, and I did just notice a couple of blackthorn are just about popping their little flowers out. All feels rather early, but it feels more like March. Today's job is all about doing something about these orange spots. I marked them up the other day. These are all got to be felled. Everything with an orange spot is due for thinnings. Those pines have also got to be thinned, just the edgy ones. The actual pine block itself wants thinning, Jeff, but these are just the edge ones that just onto the edge of the coppice, and if I don't take them out they just catch such a shade. So we'll wind the saw up, drop some oaks. Normally I don't tend to do much of the oak thinning at Jeff's, but this year we just thought we'd try and share a little bit of it out, because normally I'll either leave it to Jeff or leave it to Heartwood to thin the oaks. Progress so far, just run out of fuel, dropping that little mini oak over there, so we're going to have some lunch. Felling oaks with a sharp saw is just dreamy. It's just been released on BBC News, but locally there was a young farmer lad shot dead, which was pretty devastating for all concerned. I do know his mum, and Jeff knows the family. Local dairy farmers, very tragic, and sorry for the loss to the family, because that's trying to imagine that, going about your daily business and shot dead. Jeff popped up to see us a little bit earlier, and he was chatting away about an app on the phone that helps to identify birdsong. It's called Merlin, but later on I'm going to download that and I'm going to experiment with it over the weekend because on Sunday we're going to Clumber Park in Worksop, or near Worksop, which is North Nottinghamshire. Jeff was recommending it, so let me know if you decide to download the Merlin app, and it can isolate the different sounds and identify what bird it is, which I just think is quite incredible. In forestry, you plan to get an extraction route, so you wiggle your way in and you tend to fell your timber in that sort of system. The forwarder then comes in like that, in between the two stacks, and grabs from either side and then has this extraction route. Thankfully Jeff's got a really small tractor, it's about 3:45, so what I'm thinking is I'm going to leave this till next week. I'm going to load up the rods in the yard. Once I've done that, up to our woodland, offload them, grab some firewood for the weekend, and then off to Clumber Park on Sunday, which I'm really looking forward to. And apparently it's got some fantastic views over all of Nottingham. Feels like I haven't been away to enjoy a day out for ages. You might think every day's a day out for me in the woods. I've not done a one word Wednesday for ages, so let me know, what is your one word for this week? I think mine is edited out. So thanks for watching these wood logs this week. I appreciate your support. If you're able to, try and enjoy some stunning landscapes, beautiful sceneries and some woodland goodness, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.